Welcome back to Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Today we're getting ready to do a test drive on a 1969 Firebird. If you're new to the channel, we post videos like this all the time. We also do full lot walk-around showing all of the inventory. I just posted one on the channel prior to this video. We do walk-arounds on each and every car. This one has a Pontiac 350 up under the hood. An aluminum radiator. Drum brakes all the way around on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this hood down. We're gonna hit the road. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, because it's that time. Let's go for a ride. Kind of look around the car before we take off here. Go ahead, do the poll. Do you think the horn works? YouTube actually took away the polls on here, so you have to do it from your couch. Interior's not in bad shape on this one. We'll go ahead and start her up. Starts up pretty good. 99,000 miles is what it's showing on the dash. It's very hard to stand behind mileage on these cars, especially from the 60s. Blower motor is working. We do have the face to the radio. You got speakers in your kick panels and in your package tray. Tip gauge is always good, especially an aftermarket one. Keep an eye on what you're running here. All right, let's try this horn. It works pretty good. I think the gas gauge is going to be working on this one too. It's close to a quarter tank. Wipers, boom, they're working. All right guys, let's take off. Woo-wee. It's a steamer today. It's like a steamer every day. What am I talking about? Anything that I see that this car may need, I will let you know. We did do a brake job on this one. Looks like he's got some parts here from O'Reilly's from the brake job that we did. That's why it took me so long to get to this video. We normally don't work on them, but if they don't stop, they don't stop. I'm not gonna do a video like that. Speedometer is coming up on the dash. The steering is very tight, no slack in the steering. Our engine temp is up to 180 where it needs to be. The kick down is hooked up on this one. Couldn't hold it for too long. I'm right behind the cops. Like, what are y'all doing? What are you trying to do back here? Suspension's a little bit stiff. On the other end of the video, the other half of this video, we go over a pretty good speed bump, so you'll check it out. Always try to go over everything, and the big bumps in the road and stuff like that, you can actually hear the rattles in the car. Kind of shows me bouncing around, you know, it gives you a good idea, because sometimes we'll get cars in that just don't have suspension hardly at all, and it'll about throw me through the roof. Throttle feels good on this one. The idle's pretty low, but she's staying running on her own. I'm not having to feather the gas or anything. Turn signals are popping up on the dash here. And that gas gauge, like I said, it's moving around. So yeah, we got about a quarter tank. Should be good. Brakes feel pretty good. We're gonna get on it up here, and I'm gonna get down on the brakes pretty hard. Just to see, since there's nobody behind me. And I'm gonna turn into this parking lot. Stop good. I'm gonna pull up in here, go ahead and get some outside shots. You can see all of my gear down below in the description. I'm gonna try not to run over my camera. Let's get these shots. Sticking y'all back on my head here. Let's see what this looks like. Pull it down a little bit. All right. Yeah, I'm actually using my phone so I can see how I'm setting this up, what y'all are seeing. That way I don't make a whole video and it looks stupid. Okay. We're gonna do the second half of this test drive. Make it around the block here. Been circling the parking lot, and as you can see, engine temperature is right at 200. That's perfectly fine. You don't want it much harder than that, but you don't want it sitting here getting up to 215, 220. So it's staying nice and cool, is what I'm saying. The trans feels good, motor pulling strong. It's going pretty straight down the road. It's hard to tell on this one, just because there's so many curves in the road. But it feels like it's kind of going to the right when I let go of the steering wheel. We'll try again on the main road up here. It's definitely got a little bit of a pull to the right. I'm gonna turn on this road here. About halfway down, there's a significant bump in the road that we're gonna hit at a moderate speed. Listen for rattles. It's coming up right here. I've had people compliment me on that bump and people argue with me, telling me that I look ignorant talking about it, but I'm serious. If I need to go back there and show you, it's like the size of a brick. This car here feels awesome. Suspension's just a little bit stiff for my liking, but it's pretty awesome. We're coming up through Brian's Motorsports parking lot. I haven't been down here in a while. I want to see what he's been doing. See if he's got some good stuff going on. Always got some pretty trucks that he's souped up. If you buy a car from Maple Motors and you want to get some specialty designer wheels, a custom stereo system, custom consoles. He builds all of that stuff. You can call down here. It's briansmotorsports.com. Big showroom. I mean, there's all wheels behind those glass doors. All right. Gonna cruise on back to the lot now. And we'll do a walk around on the outside of this vehicle. Point out any kind of flaws in the paint, anything in the trunk, check the interior out. And that should cover all the bases on this car. Please check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures of this one. I have financing available. And yes, we can ship these cars all over the nation. Let's pull back in and get her done. I do appreciate you riding along with me. If you have any other questions, definitely give us a call. We're up here all the time, 10 to 5, pretty much every day except for Sunday. Our number is 615-822-4444. And once again, maplemotors.com is going to help you out a lot when it comes to more information on each car, how to get financed, and we're a shipping company we have that we use every single day to transport all over the US. We can get you quotes and it all. All right, guys, I'm gonna get to this walk around. Y'all have a good one.